Hello guys, have you eaten this kind of fish before? This is my first time eating this kind of fish. It's kind of pampano, pero dili siya pampano daw. They call it hard-shell fish. So while I was cleaning, I tried to cut the tail. It was very hard to cut it, so I guess that's why they call it hard-shell fish. So anyway, swerte ko nga ako ang amigo. Gitagan ko niyang isda cause him and his wife went to distant Florida to went fishing. Nya daghan daw ko sa kay kuha. So ilang gibaligya ang uban gi panghatag nya usa na ko sa kitagaan. So timing kaayo ba kay nag-craving jud ko og soup with vegetable nya gitagan ko niya og fresh fish. So mo na akong gisabaw, nagtula ko tinulang isda. I get some vegetable from my garden, so everything was fresh organic vegetable. So I can't wait to eat it because I was so hungry, but I just wait and wait. You know, nagluto ko, nagsabaw, nagprito ko. So two of those big one, I fried it just in case my husband and my twin doesn't like the soup with vegetable. So muna akong giprito ang duha just in case di sila mga unya. Lami siya, baga siya unod, mura siya kanang pampano, pero lahi ra po siya lasa sa pampano. Nya dag kanang lami lagi siya, nya mo to akong gi kuan himuan og pang sawsawan. So mo na siya. I made some dipping sauce with apple cider vinegar, onions and tomato. So mo na ang pang dinner guys. Libre gyud ang ako ang tiyan because I was so hungry. So thank you for watching.